All right, round two. This video is happening on a Tuesday, but y'all won't see it unless you do anything until Wednesday. This is just a recap of what we're going to do. This is 17. Okay, this is the 5.5 set, and this is 17 through 31, the set and the go. All right, this is what we're going to work on in class today. It basically says find the value of two remote interior angles in the figures below. Well, you have to remember what they are. All right, we have an exterior angle, which they give us. All right, an exterior just means outside, and what we have to remember about that exterior angle is it's equal to the two remote interior angles. Well, if you don't remember what remote is, you should know interior, the non-adjacent angles. All right, so think about what we're saying there. The exterior angle, 120, is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. Sum meaning add. What do I do with 2x plus 10 and 6x minus 10? What do I do with these two? I add them together. The sum of those two is equal to the exterior angle, and that's always. And now we've created the problem. Our verbiage has created a problem for us. So 120 is equal to 8x. 10 minus 10 gives me 0, so I can just say 8x. I'm going to divide by 8 to finish this off, and x is going to be equal to, well, how many times will 8 go into 120? Well, I don't remember. Well, this is why you need a calculator. 8 goes into it once, and I won't even look at my paper. 9, 10, 11, 12, it goes in 4. 8 goes into 45 times. So hey, it's 15. So x is equal to 15. Now, just because I get 15 doesn't mean I've answered the question, because it says find the value of the angles. How do I find the value of the angles now? Well, gee, now I have to plug what in for x into each of these different angles. They're not labeled. G, H, I should have labeled them bad on me, K. All right? So angle G is equal to 2 times 15 plus 10. Well, 2 times 15, if I have 15 bucks and somebody gives me 15 bucks, I have 30, plus 10 is equal to 40, all right? So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to label that 40 degrees, and then angle H, I want to find angle H, that is 6 times 15 minus 10, and what's 6 times 15? Well, gee, 2 times 15 was 30, 3 times 15 should be 45, and if I double 45, 45 and 45 is 90, minus 10 is equal to 80. So this angle up here is 80 degrees, H is 80, G is 40, 80 and 40 is 120, which is exactly what that angle is there. Now, not that it asked me, but I could find this one, 60 degrees, because 120 plus 60 has to be equal to 180. So work on 18, 19, 20. 20 through 25. It's saying indicate whether each pair of angles is congruent or supplementary. Congruent means equal. Supplementary means 180 degrees, right? By trusting how they look. So we talked about this the other day. Go back and look in your notes if you need to, right? Angle 5 and angle 8. How would we classify those? I would classify them as vertical. And what do we know about vertical angles? Vertical angles are congruent. Okay? So it's going to say congruent. Angle 2 and 6. 2 and 6. How would you classify these angles? We classify these as corresponding angles. So corresponding angles we know are congruent. It's either congruent or 180. In this section, congruent or 180 degrees. It's one of those two. So finish off 22 to 25. And then lastly, I want to talk about this because we haven't, although some of us know exactly what is going on here. In the go, it's asking us, and this is something very simple, find the complement and supplement of the given angles. Well, we have to know what complement means. Complement means, I'll just put it down here, adds up to 90 degrees. Supplement, we already know what supplement means. If two angles add together to equal 180, that means they're supplementary. So this just means adds up to 180. So 26. I need to find both the complement and the supplement of these angles. Well, complement means 90. So gee, 90 minus 37 is equal to, and again, this is where a calculator is beneficial. 90 minus 37 is 53 degrees. The supplement is 180. So 180 minus 37 is going to give you 143 degrees. The complement of a 37 degree angle is 53. The supplement of a 37 degree angle is 143 degrees. 27. I'll give you another one. What is the complement? Now another way, and actually I'll help you with this. One way to figure this out might be to draw something like this. Here's a pair of angles that's 90 degrees. Complement, right? Well, what do they give me? They give me a 37 degree angle. That's a very small angle. So if this is 37, complement means 90. 37 plus what is 90? Gee, 53. Now, take that and go, hey, what about my supplementary angle? 37 plus what is equal to 180? A little diagram like that might be helpful. I just know looking at this is helpful. Complement is 90, supplement's 180. So complement is 90 minus 59, and we get 31. And supplementary is 180 minus 59, which is going to give me 121 degrees. So go ahead and you'll finish 28 to 31. Make sure this is sufficient enough work, by the way. Some of you are asking, Geo, do I show my work? That's sufficient enough. You need to show me something, all right? If you just say this, I'm not going to give you credit for it, all right? You need to show your work. Show me some sort of effort, and that will reward your grade. And that's it.